Daily dialogues in English. Practice your listening and speaking skills.
Good morning, Bob. How are you today?
Good morning, Alice. I'm doing well, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Did you have breakfast yet?
Yes, I had some toast and a cup of coffee. What about you?
I had some cereal and a banana. By the way, did you watch the news today?
Yes, I did. It seems like there's always something happening in the world.
That's true. I heard there's going to be a new park opening in our neighborhood.
Really? That sounds great. I love spending time outdoors.
Me too. Maybe we could go check it out together when it opens.
That sounds like a plan. I'll look forward to it.
Great. Oh, by the way, have you finished reading that book you borrowed from the library?
Yes, I finished it last night. It was a really interesting read.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I've been thinking about borrowing it myself.
I highly recommend it. The story was captivating and the characters were well developed.
Sounds like my kind of book. I'll definitely check it out.
You should. Well, I need to get going now. I have a meeting in half an hour.
All right, Bob, have a good day.
You too, Alice. See you later. Hi, Emily, it's good to see you again. How was your day?
Hi John, my day was quite productive. I managed to finish a project I've been working on. How about you?
That's great to hear, Emily. My day was good too. I had a successful meeting and got a lot done.
That's wonderful, John. By the way, have you heard about the new movie that's coming out?
Yes, I have. It's been getting a lot of buzz. Are you planning to watch it?
Yes, I am. I've heard good reviews about it. Would you like to join me?
Sure, that sounds like fun. Let's plan for it.
Great. We can discuss the details later. Oh, and did you hear about the new restaurant that opened downtown?
Yes, I did. I've heard they serve amazing food. Have you been there yet?
Not yet, but I'm planning to go this weekend. Would you like to come along?
I'd love to. It's always fun trying out new places.
I agree. Well, it's getting late. I should head home now.
All right, Emily. Take care and see you soon.
You too, John. Goodbye.